I begin in the name of Allah. Fuljo River is our life. Fuljo River is our heart. Now this river condition is very bad. It is very regrets matter. Several selfish person is inserting on chemical waste material of their industries. As a result, water is being polluted. That's why all kinds fish are dies. Many people, cattle are being affected. Various wounds and allergy. The fisherman is starving. Where new government and environmentalist, please as soon as possible take step, honorable authorized person. Best wishes.